Bonjour à tous, good morning. In today's class, we are going to learn about how to make questions in French language. We'll see now. Question. Question means question in English. In general, French, the words which are ending with ION most are feminine. Okay, 90% the words ending with ION are feminine words only in French language. Okay, we'll see. Question, what is les questions means questions. Okay, la question means question, single question. Okay, this is question in English. Okay. In making questions in French language, there are three methods. One is intonation. Two is esca. Three is inversio. There are three methods used in French language to make questions. One is intonation, intonation. Esca is a word. Inversio means inversion. We'll see now. First one, intonation. T-I-O-N we pronounce it as sio. Intonation. In English, it is intonation. Intonation means we are raising our tone at the end of the word. It makes a question. For example, vous parlez français. Français. Vous parlez français means you are speaking French. If we make into question form, vous parlez français, at the ending we have to raise our tone. Vous parlez français, and you can add question mark if it is in written form. This is intonation, intonation. At the end of the sentence, you are going to raise your tone, which makes the sense of question. Vous parlez français? Vous êtes médecin? Vous êtes médecin? Are you a doctor? Tu es chanteur? Il est Amdia? At the ending of the sentence, we are raising the tone. That is intonation. It is intonation. Okay. We'll see the second method. Second method is esca. Esca, it is a word which is used to make questions in French language. There is no special meaning to this. It is to make questions. It is a word used to make questions. Esca. Generally, it is used for single answered questions. Okay, or one word questions. Generally we use esca or are you. When you use this kind of questions, we use esca. Example, we'll see. First we say vous parlez français. This intonation, and we are adding question mark. If we write this, est-ce que vous parlez français? Now it will become question. Are you speaking? Do you speak in French? Okay. If we use esca, then no need to raise the tone at the ending of the sentence. Vous parlez français? It is intonation. Est-ce que vous parlez français? Do you speak in French language? It is this. This is the est-ce que word used to frame questions in French language. The third method we'll see now. The third method is inversion, inversio. First we see now. Vous parlez français? Question mark. Intonation. Est-ce que vous parlez français? Same. This is also question. In intonation, what we do know, this part will use in the beginning. Then hyphen parlez-vous français. See, this is the straightforward question. Parlez-vous français? Do you speak French? Il est professeur. Okay, he is a professor. If you want to make it in a question form, est-il professeur? Is he professor? This is inversio method. We are taking this one to this and this verb to this. This is inversion, inversio. One more example now. Sylvie est étudiante. Okay, how will you write in inversion method? How to write in inversion method? Sylvie, comma, est-elle étudiante? This is inversion method. When name is there, we have to put the name first and comma, and according to the conjugation, we will write est-elle étudiante. Il parle français. Okay. When we use parle till français, here you have to remember when two vowels come side by side, you have to add T in between. Parle till français. This is the inversion method to make questions. We'll see one example in all three methods. Il fume. He smokes. This is a sentence. How to make in question form? First form, il fume. We have to raise tone. Il fume. At the ending of the sentence, we are raising the tone and adding question mark. Then, est-ce qu'il fume? Est-ce qu'il fume? This is making question. And in inversion method, we'll see il fume. Fume till. This is the one example, and we'll see one more example. Elle bavarde. She gossips. Then, if we are making in intonation, elle bavarde, at the ending we are raising the tone and adding question mark. And est-ce que form? Yes. Est-ce qu'elle bavarde? Bavarde tel. We'll see one more example. Elle danse. Means she dances. Elle danse. We are raising tone and adding question mark. Yes. Est-ce qu'elle danse? It is esca method. Dance tel, it is inversion method. Okay, this is the three types of making questions in French language. And you have to remember when name comes, you have to add the name. Okay. Sophie est française. Okay, this is the sentence. Means Sophie is French. Sophie est française. Sophie est française. If you are raising tone and adding question, it will become question mark. Then est-ce que Sophie est française? It will also become questions. Or in inversion form, Sophie est-elle française? This is inversion form. These are three types of methods making questions in French language. Okay.